Hello and welcome to the beautiful Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. We are in room 2816 and we're in the Chelsea Tower. So we're going to show you our room tour here. We have a terrace one-bedroom room here at the Cosmopolitan, and so we're starting out right away in the living area. So this can easily fit a really nice sized group of people. They give you an L-shaped couch, they give you a seating chair, a really large screen TV, so you can entertain and just have fun here away from the privacy of the bedroom. And then over behind the couch area is a wet bar area, so you have your mini bar set up as well as a mini fridge fully stocked with various water, soda, and liquors. Of course, they give you a menu that you can scan for the prices of each of those, because these types of setups at the hotels are censored so that if you move or touch an item, it will automatically get charged to your folio, so you do have to be careful, but they give you a menu in case you want to conveniently grab something right from your own room. And at the other end of the wet bar, you actually just have an empty fridge, so that's very convenient for keeping anything like leftovers or your own mixers that you may go out and buy otherwise. This room is semi-smart. It is controlled, a few of the controls from an iPad that they give you here, so it's on a charging dock, but you can take it around the room as you please, and it will control things like the temperature and the lighting in the room. So as I mentioned, we are at the Cosmopolitan and we are in the Chelsea Tower. They have two different towers here at the Cosmopolitan. They have the Boulevard Tower, which is sort of a smaller tower, and it's very boxy, kind of in the shape of a square. And then they have the Chelsea Tower where we are, which is a much larger, longer tower that's behind the Boulevard Tower. So this is how the room is set up if you are getting a terrace one bedroom. You have a nice desk, so if you're here on business or need to take care of anything, it comes with a nice desk. Starting to get closer to the bedroom area, you've got your closets, and the closets are laid out really nice. They're well lit. That's where you'll find the robe that they include for you. Our room only came with one, so we're not sure if that's standard in the rooms that they only give you one robe, but we have one here. Obviously your iron and ironing board, so that's pretty standard. And then a smaller closet off to the right, which has different shelves and also your safe, so you can keep your valuables. In fact, we have a fairly large 16-inch laptop, so that's able to fit in there nice, so you can put away your valuables and your electronics, and there's plenty of room for all of that. Across from the closets, you have the very spacious bathroom, probably one of the best bathrooms I've ever had at a hotel. When you enter, obviously you have two sinks, which is always good if you're traveling with a significant other. So his and her sinks, and they give you a pretty nice amenities package with obviously shampoo, conditioner, lotions. To the right, you're gonna have a very private commode. So inside there, it has its own light. And it's just a standard toilet, but it's in this private area so that people can be getting ready and in and out of here and not disturbing somebody that's using the restroom. And then for the shower and the bathtub in this particular style of room, you'll obviously see that it's kind of all-in-one. You've got a very large shower here that has kind of this really cool shelf. It's been really handy either to put a drink there while you're having a shower, or we've had, all of our different toiletries up here while we're having a shower. And then we have a really awesome Japanese soaking tub. So this particular style of tub is in the shape of a square, and it's very deep, but it has two built-in seats in the tub, so it makes it really comfortable. And we've been loving having this awesome window right next to the tub so that we can look out over the view of Las Vegas while we're having a bath, and we've made sure to get in there every night so far. So we've really enjoyed having this. The water fills up pretty quickly, like within 10 minutes, even though it's such a deep tub, but really nice to have those built-in seats in there. So we've really been loving this bathroom. So far, I've gotten to show you the living room, the closet area, and then our amazing bathroom, but I'm gonna switch over to Matt, and he's gonna finish off the rest of the tour showing you the bedroom and then our little balcony.
Alright, so now we're going to be moving on into the bedroom here, which features a lovely king-size bed, and it is a very, very comfortable bed. We slept really, really well in it. Literally, as soon as you hit that bed, you're out. And along with that bed comes with 2 nightstands on either side of the bed, as well as the room and light controls on the sides of the bed that we don't have to get up to turn off any of the lights. As well as, of course, the phone and the lights, which have USB charging right for your phone. It has 2 outlets on each of the lights, which is super helpful when, plugging in for the night. And as well as something unique about this, it has reading lights that are built in to the headboard of the bed, which I find is a nice little detail. And along with that, here you have a wonderful TV, so you can transfer from the living room into the bedroom with no hassle at all. So another great benefit about this is the terrace. So let's come on out and I'll show you what we got out there. So now we're going to head outside, and the first things first, it's a little bit awkward getting out, as you'll see once we head out. The curtains sort of get in the way, but nonetheless, the balcony is definitely worth it. So as you can see here, it's a little awkward with these curtains in the way, but other than that, it's a wonderful balcony. Okay, so now that we've made our way outside, and please forgive the music because there's always music playing here in Vegas because it is a party city of the world here. So, nonetheless, you can't really hear that music too well inside, which is great. So now we're moving on here. We have a wonderful little nook area with a nice seat. We can catch up on all your reading, whatever you have to do for the evening. So over here we have a wonderful couch. Now this is something that a lot of the other hotels, well really a lot of the hotels here do not have. First of all is a balcony, but nonetheless a couch and a lot of space on your balcony, which is something to really cherish about this place. And of course, nonetheless, is the wonderful view over here that you can take in, along with the great mountain ranges in the background. So this is really something you get your bang for your buck for when you stay here at the Cosmopolitan. So nonetheless, this has been one of the room tours here at the Cosmopolitan, and you can go to the website to check out the rates and book your stay there. So that'll do it here for this week's video for us, and we do appreciate it if you hit that red subscribe button and hit that big thumbs up as well, and comment down below if you've stayed in Las Vegas and what your favorite part about this room tour was. So that'll be it for this week's video, and we'll see you all next week.